Umentri rangba kejela u Conrad ke sangma ula kentu ya umentri katanat kampo yeng ke sorkar pedeng u Amit Shah ba ke Meghalaya debendan la ke jong ke Cadre bat ben penyaklat no nak Assam namar ke mentahi ke longtang ke Meghalaya Assam ki padan ya ke joint Cadre. Ula ong balada ke jela ke nyok lagi jong ki opisar ki ba Kerpang kan long shisha ke jing mentoy ke ba Kerau nak ke benta ke jing terekam jong ke sorkar jela. U Conrad ula penken mau biang ru ya ka jindawa ban pentrekam no ya ka inline permit ILP da ka baong baka datang ka nikalat ka babiang ban telakam ya ka jingwan rung tu baka jingbu haishnong bean da ki beriu na bar kamtam na Bangladesh. Ula ong ru baka jela ka ladap menjur ya ka resolution ban IT bunsin ki memorandum syaka sorkar pedeng halor kani. Nalor kata, umentri rangba ula kentu ru ban penrong no ya ka ketien khasi, bar ka ketien garo, haga kernet ka bapra jong ka riti sensyar kari. Ula penken mau biang baka yeng dor bar ka jela, kala menjur ya ka resolution, bar kala syong dor baka sorkar pedeng ru kan shimkya. Haka waipat ka benta, u Conrad ula Kyrpad baka wai ka surak ha New Delhi, lakban ay kerteng haga kerteng upurno ajitok sangma, ubala no senyang shibun na ka benta ka than syatay la mingi, hijat min riu rilum bat ki ritpat jong kari.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Today I had a meeting with the Honorable Home Minister of India, Shri Amit Shah ji, and 4 important agendas were discussed. First agenda was regarding a separate cadre for the state of Meghalaya. As you're aware, right now we have a joint cadre of Meghalaya Assam cadre, and no other state in the country have got a joint cadre. And therefore I have requested and urged the Honorable Home Minister that if the cadre of Assam and Meghalaya could also be segregated and Meghalaya could get its dedicated officials, it would be a great benefit to the state of Meghalaya. The second subject which I took up today in the meeting was regarding the inclusion of Garo and Khasi language in the 8th schedule. I once again reminded Honorable Home Minister that we had passed a resolution in this regard in the Assembly, and multiple times we have submitted a memorandum to him urging him to consider inclusion of Garo and Khasi language in the 8th schedule. The third agenda was regarding the implementation of ILP in the state of Meghalaya. And as you're aware that we have already passed a resolution in the House and multiple memorandums have been submitted, I reminded the Honorable Home Minister once again, especially keeping in mind the current situation along the international border and the different kind of situations unfolding in the neighboring country. And keeping all of these factors in mind, it was important to not only strengthen the presence of our forces along the border, creation of more infrastructure, but at the same time having a mechanism to check illegal immigration and infiltration in the state of Meghalaya. And given the current circumstances and the current laws that are there in the country, the only option that we have is to go for an ILP, and based on that we have once again urged the Honorable Home Minister to consider that. The fourth subject that we discussed was regarding naming of a road in the name of late P.A. Sangmaji in New Delhi, the capital of our country. I urged the Honorable Home Minister that late P.A. Sangmaji was a national figure, a person who always has raised his voice for the Northeast, for the tribals and for the minorities, and a tall figure in the northeast and in the state of Meghalaya, as well as in the country at large. And therefore, it would be truly befitting to have a road in the capital named after late P.S. Sarma. Thank you.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.